Hey, CEOs, this is Sonia Jones with Mr. Miyagi of Money. This is GIP Financials. We are here in the building. I hope you guys are doing well. So, what we're talking about today, we're talking about the profit and loss statement. Now, if you know, CEO, that you don't know what the profit and loss statement is and how important it is to your taxes, don't you go anywhere. Stay tuned. All right, CEOs, welcome back. We are in the building. So we're talking about the profit and loss statement again. Make sure that you like and subscribe to this channel. Now, it is the mid-term point of the year. It's time to go ahead and start thinking about your taxes. And so when we're thinking about our taxes, CEOs, you got to know your reports. Period. End of discussion. So the most important report that you're going to have to know about is your profit and loss statement, otherwise known as the P&L. Think about your business as a tree, right? You got the trunk, we got the beautiful leaves, and we've got the roots. We're going to talk about three financial reports, but the first one we're going to talk about is the profit and loss. So in the image of the tree, the profit and loss are not only the leaves, but the fruit of the tree, right? Without the trunk, which is your balance sheet, and your roots in the water, which is the cash flow, you can't yield the fruit, right? So the profit and loss statement is important to tax time because it's going to actually let you know how your business did at the end of the year. Did you generate a profit or did you create a loss? So the three things I want you to make sure that you remember about the P&L is that it consists of all of your revenue minus all of your expenses. And then that's where you have your net profit. It's as simple as that. Gross revenue minus expenses equals your net profit. Now, you may see something on your report called the net operating income or the net operating income. And what that is, it normally comes after the expenses, but that's pretty much everything that's on your balance sheet, primarily like your liabilities, what you're owed in your accounts receivable and what you owe, your accounts payable, taxes, things of that magnitude. So it might be another layer to their report. So again, you'll have your revenue, you'll have your expenses, you'll have your net operating income, and then you'll have the net income. The last number on that report will let you know how much you're going to pay in taxes. If that number is positive, you're going to be paying some taxes. If it's negative, then you'll be able to deduct that from your adjusted gross income for your taxes. So again, that is basically the summary of the P&L. I'm not going to overload you today because I can teach, right? So hey, if you are CEO with the business and you need to know where you stand financially, I've got the thing for you. If you click the link in the description below, I have the 3 financial mistakes CEOs make in their business. It's a whole checklist for you to check to see where you stand. If you've got at least one of those 3 mistakes, you need to schedule a consultation with GIP Financials. Again, the link is in the description below. Click on it, do that checklist, come back and holler at us. Let us get you in position.